In the past, we have joined numerous brands on their trip to China to check out what they can do. And now, we're back in Chongqing to check out what Aito Super Factory is capable of. How capable is this? Let's all find out here in this cyber tour prepared by Aito and QSJ Motors. But before anything else, smash that bell button, like and subscribe to our social media accounts, and visit our website. This is Fort, and welcome to Zigwheels Philippines. But before checking out Aito Super Factory, let's check out what Aito and QSJ Motors is all about. Aito, which literally stands for Adding Intelligence to Auto, is the offspring of Ceres, one of the brands that QSJ Motor carries in its portfolio, and tech giant Huawei. So expect that the brands created under this marriage are future forward. On the other hand, QSJ Motors is a company in the Philippines that started its journey in 2010 as an importer and a dealer of trucks, heavy equipment, and industrial machinery. Fast forward to last year, the company brought in Ceres passenger vehicle lineup, followed by Aito that was first seen at this year's Manila International Auto Show. Now that it's out of the way, let's discuss the Aito Super Factory. However, due to the limitations that were set by the company, we're not allowed to shoot inside, but let me share to you what we have seen. During the cyber tour, the representatives from Aito shared that the mega facility is a 1 million square meter establishment where all of the brand's models are being produced. This is composed of the M9, which is the flagship model, the M7 and the M5 SUVs, and the newly launched M8, which is a people hauler. This establishment is built via a 1.75 billion US dollar investment, which is roughly 100 billion peso in today's exchange rate. As you can see here, the state-of-the-art facility is majorly automated and utilizes around 3,000 robots, as well as an artificial intelligence inspection system that ensures that the cars are built not just lightning fast, but also of quality and precision. For Aito, this has the capability to produce 1,200 vehicles in all its production lines per day. They are also recycling those excess parts by collecting and remolding them for their intended purpose. Now let's take a look if these models are as intelligent as their company claims. Let's take a look specifically at the Aito M9. In a remote environment, the Aito M9 demonstrated the automated driving technology that detects pedestrians, other vehicles, and even debris on the road. It also comes with self-parking features that even finds a space where it can fit or go out and go to the driver. We hope that these features are present in the Philippine spec version once we get back to the Philippines, so expect a proper review on these models soon. So after learning all these about Aito and their products, what do you think about them? Let us know in the comment section. Again, this is Ford, and see you on our next videos.